Hi, my name is Kennedy Tiefenbrunn, and I'm from a small town outside of St. Louis called Forrestal, Missouri. I spent most of my childhood growing up on this lake right here, kind of hanging out in either outside in the woods or in a gymnastics gym. My dad was in the military, so he traveled a lot, and my mom stayed home with me most of the time. So I kind of got my start in health professions pretty early due to exposure from gymnastics. I had 3 knee surgeries, and that's kind of where my whole story and my health professions career began. I went on in high school to play lacrosse, suffered a couple stress fractures and a broken nose between lacrosse and volleyball, um, but still kind of got to live out my sports years. I graduated from Barra Academy in Chesterfield, Missouri, and then continued on to Mizzou in 2014. At Mizzou, I kind of did the typical thing, joined a sorority, was really involved in lots of clubs, took a lot of classes to prepare myself for the athletic training program. I met my boyfriend of 5 years that year, and we are still together today. So this is kind of the start with the athletic training program at Mizzou. I worked with the football team, baseball, had healthcare rotations, and worked at a small high school in the area. I really enjoyed my time there. Was kind of trying to narrow down what I wanted to do after graduation and figure out, where I wanted to take my career in healthcare. So once I graduated with this lovely class right here, I decided to start working at a small high school in Washington, Missouri as their head athletic trainer. So that's what I'm currently doing. This is my football team right here. I'm in my 2nd year with this school. I have loved every second of it. Actually just got done working a really late night basketball game, so that's why this is getting submitted a little later than I like. With this job, though, I've also been able to travel to Sarasota, Florida with U.S. Soccer, with this amazing group of people right here, too. This job's allowed me a lot of really cool opportunities. We also made our way out to Denver in early 2019 to work another U.S. Soccer showcase. I also was privileged enough last year to travel with my high school cheer team to Disney to compete. And I also got to do a little time on the news and do a little segment for National Athletic Training Month. So that was really fun. After that, I decided I wanted to kind of progress my healthcare career. I started applying to PA schools over the summer, and I got accepted into SLU's PA class of 2022 this fall. So super exciting stuff. If I'm not studying for classes, I'm either watching the Blues play or watching the Cards play. So really into St. Louis sports, kind of my hobby. Or I'm hanging out with my amazing friends right here. Or I'm dealing with my 2 crazy pups right here. Bo is on the right, he is the white one, and Riley's on the left. This is just a fun little video of what I get to chase around every day. Thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed this.